again, everybody. In this video I'm just going to show you how to repair a tyre. I've intentionally not shown the demounting and remounting of the tyre or the wheel balancing, mainly because it's a little bit hard for me to hold the camera and do it at the same time. I hope you'll find this interesting. I'll try and talk you through what you're going to see before you see it, just so you know what's happening. The clip will start with the tyre on the tyre spreader. You'll see me buff the tyre down on the inside so that the lines on the inside of the tyre have been smoothed off so that the repair plug can stick to it. You'll then see me use some tyre buffer to clean the oils out of the tyre and allow the vulcanising fluid to stick the patch down properly. I'll then apply the vulcanising fluid, which will be left to set. After that, I'll fit the plug patch in. I'll use a device called a stitcher, which is sort of a little roller that rolls over the back of the patch, and that just makes sure it's all stuck down nicely. And the final part, I'll be using a tyre security coat. The security coat is just in case you've buffed the tyre down a little bit too much and the interior of the tyre is showing. Now, that hasn't happened in this case. It doesn't often happen as long as you're careful, but it's just put in there anyway as a safety precaution. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.